Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe and click the little bell to my channel so you don't miss anything. Alright, today I got another strong buy for you. JPM is a strong buy, and let me tell you why. JPMorgan Chase had an earnings call this morning. Their expected EPS was at 170, and their actual EPS is now at 176. Now, that is great for the company. They will be getting a little bit more shares, earnings per share than expected. Their average volume is incredible at 14 million. Right now, they're trading at about 3 million this morning. Their market cap is at $384 billion, so they definitely have a lot of money to work with. Their PE ratio is at a 16, which is great. You're getting a great value for your money, as well as a dividend yield of 2.179, which has also been steadily increasing the last couple years. So a lot of great potential for JPM. And I wanted to mention that I did buy in at 110.45. I believe I did that on the 11th. So I did it yesterday before the earnings call. Great earnings call. I am up $1.32 and will continue to hold this stock over a long period of time. In 1 year, they have gone up 31%, which is actually just shy of $27 in a year. And I believe this is a strong buy because it will reach a target price of, I think, around 140 and beyond. I want to show you some of my recommendations I get from other sites, such as the Street Rating. They are rating it a A, which is a buy. I would classify that as a strong buy, just shy of A+, but definitely a strong buy. And because I believe as well that the target price of $143 is very accurate, and I could see us getting to that price point probably by like May or June, but you never know, it could be sooner. Nvidia went up from 188 to 216 in like 2 weeks, so it definitely could happen. I just wanted to show you the JPMorgan and Chase Company Street Rating, and if you guys do like this type of information, you can go to their website and use your email to get these rating reports for any company. But I do like the target price of 143.12 and the solid A to buy. I do believe it is a strong buy. So today is my strong buy for JPM, and I already did buy at the $110 mark. Will probably sell around the 138 to 140 mark when it does go up. I might even put another share or two in on this. Not too sure yet, but again, just real quick, if you wanted to go over the statistics or recent news, there's always more stuff to look at and to analyze. So this is just some of the basics for you, and I just believe that that earnings call really did help to push the momentum toward the $143 mark. So, you know, I believe it's a strong buy, and I'm already in, so you could take the advice or not, but I want you guys to have a great day, and stay tuned for my week 22 Robinhood update, where I show you how I have been making a steady $25 every single week, and how I am going to get that up to $50 a week, and kind of some of the strategies I will be going through. So stay tuned, there's a lot more coming.